to 煲仔 channel。
而家嘅時間係朝早嘅8點半，咁我哋而家咧就出發去潛水啦，係重點行程，潛水，耶！
今次呢條片我就會講下喺菲律賓到底我哋揀咗邊一間嘅潛水中心。喺菲律賓同香港潛水到底有啲咩唔同呢？喺呢邊潛水到底大概要幾多錢，同埋有啲咩要注意呢？全部嘅問題我都會盡量喺條片嗰度解答俾大家聽。有興趣過嚟菲律賓潛水嘅朋友仔就記住要睇埋落去。
菲律賓嘅路點解可以咁爛嘅？點解可以咁爛嘅？
今次嚟到菲律賓嘅宿務，我哋揀咗 Sea Dive 做我哋嘅潛水中心，因為我哋嘅牌都係考 Party 嘅牌，所以咧呢度咧就啱我哋。
我每一日咧就係喺度簽我嘅生死狀咯，每一日都需要做呢一樣嘢。Thank you。而家咧我就喺潛水鋪試用緊佢哋嘅裝備，睇下咧啱唔啱 size。Good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. It's your size.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
試完裝備都啱身之後咧 ，DM 就會幫你拎埋你啲裝備上船。
哇！今日個天勁好啊！我哋咧陣間就會係坐呢啲其中一艘船。咁而家應該就要上咗船先。I have long legs. I can do it.
I have long legs. I can do it.
我建議咧都係着翻一啲有得綁帶嘅鞋啊，因為咧你要行水嘅時候咧，如果你就咁着拖鞋，好容易飛走。
Easy. Can someone please see? Oh yeah. It's not balanced. 出緊去啦！
今次我哋兩個人包咗一架船，所以個費用上面都會比較貴嘅。我哋兩個人大概用咗2000蚊港紙到啦。但其實大部分人嚟潛水咧，都會係一班人一齊租一架船嘅，好少我哋兩個咁。
宿務嘅小朋友平時嘅娛樂應該都係離唔開玩水。
呢個鬼佬有晒所有嘅潛水裝備，所以佢就唔需要喺潛水鋪嗰度租用任何嘅設施。要留意嘅係，因為佢套 gear 喺歐洲買係用 DIN valve。而菲律賓主流同埋我哋間潛水鋪咧都係用 Yoke valves 嘅，所以我哋 DM 就翻咗鋪頭去拎個 adapter 俾佢啦。我哋嗰日總共做咗3個 dive，3個 dive 所需時間都幾長㗎，所以咧我哋就喺船上高食埋 lunch。出發之前咧可以同潛水鋪溝通定到底想食乜嘢做 lunch， 咁佢哋咧就會幫你哋準備埋㗎啦。
我哋個船咧仲有 toilet 啊，好搞笑啊！佢似一個櫥櫃，都好似一個 toilet。
咁等我大概講解下呢次潛水嘅行程啦。大概就係朝早去完潛水鋪租 gear 之後呢，就可以直接上船噶啦。喺菲律賓潛水，我會話係做公主嘅體驗啊。基本上你係乜都唔使做，乜都唔使拎，佢哋會幫你搞晒所有嘢。直到落水前一刻呢，佢哋就會將套 BCD 俾你，然之後你只需要着上身就搞掂噶啦。唔似其他地方咁要自己 set up 套 BCD， 然之後仲要自己搬。我會話有好有唔好啦，因為你唔係自己 set up， 所以你會有時候忘記咗要點樣去 set up 一套好嘅 BCD。但係乜都唔使做就可以潛水，真係好爽㗎！
啱啱就話，如果我唔飲少少咖啡咧，我應該會喺架船嗰度瞓着。The motion of the ocean 同埋呢個海風咧，令我勁想瞓覺。而家有咖啡咧就 perfect 到。超級好甜，超級好甜。Oh no！ 啱啱俾水母針咗。哦 ，thank you。Thank you, much better. Oh, it's like everywhere.
I mean, either that or I'll pee on it for you.
No,
Very small.
very small. 呢個咧就係我 crave 咗勁耐嘅菲律賓芒果，耶！ ocean. Jet ski, hi！我哋啱啱就完成咗第2個 dive 啦，然之後咧，我哋就喺架船上高食 lunch。我哋要求咗呢個嘅 BBQ， 所以咧就有超正啊，係菲律賓式嘅嘢食，有 skewer， 有呢個，呢個應該係雞嚟嘅 chicken 啊，跟住 mangoes、pineapples。Oh, this is legend. This is the goat. 好正啊 ！Oh, and rice. Of course, we need rice. I need my carbohydrate.
Here we have Jellyfish Girl. What did you get stung by?
Jellyfish, but it's so tiny that I don't realize that it is jellyfish because I saw something here. It's like brown, so I wipe it off. And then because I do this, the jellyfish got stung here. And then I wipe it off again, and then the jellyfish stung here onto my leg. And then I realized that is jellyfish because it started to hurt.
And how did you treat it?
I was just clapping under the water, and then when I come up, our dive master put on vinegar.
I offered the fee on it.
I reject his generous offer. Thank you. Skewer cheese. Of course you have to dip it.
Pork salt cheers.
That is comfort food.
Now we're doing the vlogging thing where we say it's delicious regardless. It is very nice though. It's really nice.
No, I don't do that.
And we have tasting fruit. Take 2.
Hola. Hola.
Voila. Pineapple. Good as it. But we haven't tried the mango yet. We haven't tried the mango yet. Because we obviously got to do the mango for the first time.
I'll do mango later.
For the first time.
Can't wait to try the mango. Don't know how it tastes. 我哋嘅船家同埋 DM 咧，準備咗芒果，係我夢寐以求菲律賓嘅芒果。我琴日都買唔到，即係條街又買唔到啦。然之後 7-Eleven 都冇芒果。
No fruit in 7-Eleven.
佢聽得明廣東話，但係今日有喎，竟然喺海中心有芒果食，試下菲律賓嘅芒果先。超好食，大啲啊！呢個超好食啊！ The apple is very bad.
Hang on.
Mango cheese. So nice.
Wow.
So nice. I have to get some mango before going back to the hotel.
Oh yeah. Oh, nice.
超好食啊！芒果，黐線啊！ Yeah, I completely agree with you.
Your water, madam?
Yeah.
Your water, madam?
Gracias.
De nada.
Thank you.
She has a sleigh. Oh, hang on. Was that all facing me the whole time? For fuck's sake. It is going to be upside down now.
This is the best because you have like the eyes in it. 入面有冰啊，黐線啊，超正啊！Salamat！而家我哋就去有沙甸魚嘅地方潛水啦，潛完就係完成我哋今日嘅3個潛啦。訪問下呢一個鬼佬先。對於今日嘅潛水，你覺得有啲咩感受啊？
She's asked me something in Cantonese and I don't know what she's asked me. But now we're off to the sardines. So we'll be swimming in a massive shoal of sardines. We'll get some good videos of the water.
啱啱完成咗最後一個程啦，然之後超大隻水母攬住咗我。
And that's why kids you wear a rash vest. If you can see the eye roll behind.
今日我人生成就解鎖，4支全部都俾水母刺過，犀利！最犀利係呢一個。啱啱前面咧，耶！呢個就 Buddy 啊，好開心啊，好好玩啊！然之後呢度個景超靚咯，影俾大家睇。呢個就係我哋嘅 DM 啦。好好人啊，好得意。Let's go。